Good morning, guys. So right now it is 6:25 in the morning, and I'm just drinking my coffee because we're about to go. Yeah.
Morning.
We're just about to go to fix our car because our car's pretty broken, so we weren't able to drive it for at least a week. So we're just gonna go and fix that. Hopefully, everything goes well. But yeah.
Looking for.
Okay, we're just watching the new Google Pixel phone of 2018, but we just got back from dropping off the car. It was pretty cold, so thank God, like, I'm inside. It's really cold, and it's not even December yet, but I'm gonna make breakfast now because now I'm hungry. Usually when it's really early in the morning, I'm not hungry at all, but now it's almost 10, so I'm getting hungry, so I think I'm gonna cook some eggs.
Your information, device passwords, and operating system are protected at your device. If you want to make the fuss of typing your password, Pixel Select power button doubles as a fingerprint sensor, so you're gonna lock it just as quickly and securely as Pixel phone. Just touch the top and you're good.
Hey, you want eggs?
No, I'm good, thank you.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Truly make Pixel Select a perfect device for play and work. But a true desktop experience demands a great keyboard. So create a Pixel Select keyboard, the perfect companion to Pixel Select.
Looks so good. So we're just about to head out now. We're gonna be going to Lowe's. I want to check out their fall stuff and just see if they have nice Halloween stuff, because in a couple of weeks it's Halloween, and I love seeing this kind of like seasonal stuff. But right now it definitely feels more like Christmas than it does Halloween. It's so much snow and it just won't stop snowing, so maybe I'll listen to some Christmas music. Actually, I've already listened to some Christmas music the other day because it was snowing so much, but it's crazy. This is the Canadian life. Here's the Halloween section. Babe, I like carving my own pumpkin more than just buying a plastic. Does this turn on? Hey.
How about this one here?
How's it Christmassy at all? How about this
How about
one?
this one?
That one's cute. He's skating.
It's Snoopy.
Oh, wow.
Easy, boy.
Wow, thing. You make my heart sing. You make it.
are those annoying people that turn on everything. That's creepy. Babe, does it turn on?
What?
Does it turn on?
I guess not. It's just like,
Oh, it's creepy. Guys, finally we got out of the car. It's all
We got
fixed,
the
which
car
is
and
really
you
good.
can't hear anything while you're braking, and
Not making any sound.
no sound at all.
Yeah.
Before the sound was really not a nice sound.
Yeah, it's really good though because it's really a pain not having your car
Yeah.
being able to drive.
God, like the LRT in Calgary is pretty good, but just the car is fine.
I'm not a fan of the LRT.
Yeah, it's quite expensive, eh? You're
Yeah.
looking at $325, $330 one way. So, yeah, with the gas prices nowadays, it's cheaper.
Yeah. So now we are gonna go to the mall. We just want to look around for some things. We have some gifts that we have to get, and just some little things that we have to
birthday is
do.
coming up, Christmas is coming up. You know, like there's still plenty of time, but just want to
There's
look.
just some things we need to check. For dinner, we made
Supper.
And fresh tomatoes
we
too,
made
eh?
what do you call these, babe?
That's a good
They're
question.
just sort of like soft tortillas, I guess you could call it.
Yeah,
that.
it's like soft tortillas with chicken and vegetables inside, and then we made
pollos.
this like pizza slash burrito kind of. Yeah, I don't know how to describe it.
It's really nice.
Yeah. Okay guys, so it's about 11 and I think I'm gonna be going to bed. So I hope you guys enjoyed this follow me around day, and I will see you guys next time. Talk to you soon.